Let's talk about advanced ASSA effects in Subtitle Edit 5 and beyond. Now, in Subtitle Edit 5, we've got a bunch of new effects for advanced ASSA. That is more or less advanced ASS alpha subtitles. Now, advanced. Let's look at more or less the first time this appeared. So, in version 5, beta 8, I do believe 14th March 2026. This was made available. I kind of missed it. More or less, I was not very attentive when this came out, and I got aware of it a while back when Nicolaj mentioned it in one of my more or less issues raised. So good to see that. And as you can see, we've got word flip, lower third, cinematic title, a ton of things right there. Advanced. Let's look. ASSA karaoke, add right to left option. That's okay. We've got fix, we've got, let's see, add parameters for SSA, advanced karaoke effect. We've got add more, that was 26th March, word spacing, TV close, and all that. And then we've got, yeah. So it's just an introduction to what they are. And currently I'm in the format of subrip. I wish we can have this somewhere right here, like it used to be in Subtitle Edit 4. But let's just click on this advanced substation alpha. Just click on that. So that has changed, and we now have new options like ASSA tools right here, where you can easily see advanced effects. So you can apply advanced effects. Click on that, and as you can see, we've got a ton of effects. We've got the audio text pulse. So for example, in this case, let's actually click on this particular subtitle with some text. Click on that, and it's going to appear here. If I double click on this and actually play,
in this tutorial
you can see what the effect looks like. Bouncing. If you play
I'll show you how to use the script.
If you
in
actually,
this tutorial
that's what bouncing looks like. Cinematic title.
in this tutorial I'll show you how to
You can see what everything looks like. Confetti burst.
tutorial I'll show you how to use the script.
So you can flare and mix up your more or less videos as you create stuff like this. These are things that will more or less sometimes require video editing application to do, but we've got a ton of them. Credit scroll. This one looks
In this tutorial
thumbs up,
I'll show you how to use the scripts icon,
but it's more or less for the flare effect and more or less fun of it. Fade in, fade out. We've got that as well.
I'll show you how to use the scripts eye contact feature.
So it fades out. The other one comes in. If it's something that you'd like to look. Fireflies background.
Tutorial I'll show you how to use the scripts eye contact.
So you can do that as well. Really depends on what you're doing, because nowadays closed captions, subtitles, open captions, people are doing a ton of things with them. We've got glitch right there.
This tutorial
Glitch is more or less like what you see. Hearts rain, looking good, infinite rain background. We've got infinite snow, we've got infinite starfield, and then we've got karaoke right here, where you can do right to left if it's more or less in the right to left languages. Karaoke active word pop. This is one that I'd kind of use. Active word detect. That would be awesome. And then we can actually see what it looks like. Let's play.
In this tutorial I'll show you how to use the scripts,
And you can change the color to what you like. So this one is one that kind of looks good, that you can actually use for your videos. We've got lower third. Let's see what it looks like. It looks like more of a line.
tutorial I'll show you how to use
But probably my favorite would be active, this karaoke active word pop. That's okay. Not really sure matrix would be anything. No. I don't
the
think.
scripts eye contact
This is just too much. Neon burst.
feature to.
So old movie effect.
In this tutorial
Rainbow pulse.
I'll show you how to use
Not comfortable for the eyes, but people are actually using a ton of things for different situations. Scramble reveal. Slide from left. Slide in from right. Slow zoom in. So what does it look like?
I'll show you how to use the scripts eye contact.
That's okay. Slow zoom out. Star Wars scroll. I see. Transition fade in. Let's see.
In this tutorial I'll show you how to use the
So now
scripts
this
eye
one
contact
is,
feature to simulate eye contact.
this one fades in the video. Not really sure about it. Fade out. Transition TV close.
In this tutorial,
now the good thing is that some of these things you can apply them to the selected line. So you can adjust selected lines and forward and all that. So I wish we also had adjust selected lines and backward. So anything that's behind that. And then we've got the typewriter effect right here.
in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature.
This one would be also another good one. We also typewriter with highlight.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use this.
It would be awesome to also have like a color selection for this one as well. With blue, word by word. Let's see.
In this tutorial, I'll show you.
So this is more or less a reveal. I wish this one had also an active word color.
How to use the script's.
So that's okay. Word flip 3D.
Eye contact feature to simulate eye.
Not bad. Maybe it has its own use. Word spacing.
Contact with the camera even when you're reading from a script. Welcome to this video.
Now, more or less what I would use is word by word. That would be awesome. The words come in, but also right here in the effects, we can, under word by word, we can have one word subtitle type of effect, because it seems that it's more or less obeying when the word comes in. We can add one word at a time.
In this tutorial,
so that's a good one. Typewriter, that's okay. Typewriter with highlight, typewriter. We also have, I do believe it's the Karaoke active word pop. This one is also another good one. I like it. So I love the Karaoke, the typewriter, and the word by word. I wish you also had one word subtitles, because sometimes to do that in subtitle edit, you have to kind of more or less use some models in the speech to text to support creating one word subtitles. So it would also be awesome to actually have one word more or less subtitle like on screen, not reveal, on screen at a time. So depends on what somebody does, and more or less that would be important. But that's an introduction to advanced effects for Advanced Substation Alpha subtitles in Subtitle Edit. Try them out, see the effect that you get. So for example, in this one we can actually go for Karaoke and then click OK. You can see what has happened right here if we play this.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use.
Now everything grayed out, not sure why. The color is there, the shadows are there, so obviously these are still teething problems with the new effects. Still not yet coming off as required. Or actually, let me see, let's go back. Do I have? No, I did not select the active word detection, so I'll select it and then click OK. So my bad, everything is as it needs to be.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the script's eye contact feature.
So yeah, everything works as advertised. It's just that everything grays out here. Not sure why. I don't think that should be happening, or maybe that's how it's supposed to happen. But also it would also be important to be able to see what is actually going on here with our text as much as we can see right here. But that's an introduction to advanced effects for ASSA subtitle styles, more or less things that you can use in Subtitle Edit. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.